dead bugs. You're gonna start off on your back with your knees bent like this. And now the key with dead bugs is good core activation, okay? So what I want you to do before we even start moving our arms and our legs is to really just focus on your breathing and getting a good contraction in your core muscles, especially your lower abdominal muscles, okay? So I want you to just lie here for a minute. I want you to take a deep breath in. And then as you breathe out, I want you to really focus on kind of tilting back and contracting the lower abdominal muscle, okay? And try to breathe all of your air out. The more you exhale, the more you're gonna try to turn on that transversus abdominis muscle. That's a muscle that wraps all the way around your torso and attaches into the fascia in your lower back. So it really helps to make a corset and helps to protect your spine during this movement and really during a lot of movements. Okay, so I want you to just take 3 breaths in, where you focus on taking a breath in and then breathing out, tilting those hips back and getting a contraction in those lower abdominal muscles. Breathe in and breathe out. Focusing on just contracting those lower abs. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Now, as we are braced up, we're gonna bring those knees up and we're gonna bring our arms straight ahead, okay? So I want you to, now this movement, like all of our movements, it's important to link our breath to the movement, all right? So what we wanna do is we're going to breathe in and we're going to straighten one arm. So we're gonna start with our right arm and our left leg. We're doing opposite arm, opposite leg, okay? So we're gonna breathe in and straighten these out and then exhale and bring them back together. Okay, we're gonna start with just one, like you're doing the same arm and same leg, okay? Because there's sometimes people have a hard time coordinating this movement, okay? So when you're first starting out, we're just gonna do one arm and one leg, and then exhale, bringing them back in. Now you notice I'm not arching my back significantly, okay? I'm also not pressing my back, like slamming my back down into the mat. The goal is to keep a spine that's just controlled and neutral, okay? So here we are. There's a slight bend in my back, and we're just holding that position as we extend and then bring it back in. Now you can control this by, if it's hard for you to keep a neutral spine while you're doing this, just decrease the range that you're bringing the arm and the leg out, okay? You can start with a very little movement, and then as you get stronger and you're able to control it, you can really straighten it out on both sides and then pulling it back in. So you're gonna do 10 on one side, and then you're gonna switch and do 10 on the other side, okay? That's how I want you to do your first set, kind of no matter where you are. Now, as you get stronger and as you progress through this exercise, I want you to move to alternating sides, okay? So you're always doing opposite arm, opposite leg, but then we're gonna go this way and then this way, okay? So that's gonna be more work for your brain and for your coordination. So it's gonna look more like this, okay? We're gonna, again, always link it to our breath. So you're gonna take a deep breath in, and as you inhale, we're going out, exhale, in. Switch sides, inhale, whoops, and exhale, okay? Inhale, exhale, exhale. And if you need a break, if you start to feel fatigued or any discomfort in your lower back, just simply take a little break and give yourself a break and then resume when you're ready.